How come you never can answer we question them yet? For no rebuttal always, we no fi mock God, we no fi question God, or the blood of Jesus is against we. So if we no question things, how the fuck we are gonna learn? If the God of the Bible is the only God where exists, why him feel the need to tell people that they know fi put no other God before him? Which other God? So you're a pastor and you believe in all of the supernatural beings were in the Bible and refuse to believe the extraterrestrial life real. Remember a trend where people put them picnic if sit down in front of food, tell them say no fi touch it and then people left them?
Yeah, what about it?
Imagine the same scenario there but with God as the parent and Adam and Eve as the children. If you behave yourself, me buy you one PS5 and carry you go to Disneyland. But if you give me trouble, you not get nothing and you not go nowhere. What am I?
I don't know, you tell me.
Heaven and hell, hombre. Karma equal action, so any action you sow, that you go reap. The God of the Bible work for 6 days and rest on the 7th. Me no know about you, but that sound like a 9 to 5 to me. Them say Cain did bad and Abel did good. So why God never protect the good one from the bad one? If me did God for 60 seconds, all pain, suffering and negativity in general would have vanished within the first millisecond. When good things happen, you no blame God. When bad things happen, you no blame the devil. So self-accountability non-existent. If me did a way upon Jesus to come motivate or save me, me wouldn't get up and decide that I want to become the positive change where me want to see here.
In your opinion, what is God?
My version or the one from the Bible?
Let's go with your version.
God is all that is, the source of everything in existence. So just the mere fact that we exist proves said the whole of we is a unique extension or expression of said source.
Damn, you cooked with that one, bro, not gonna lie.
Correction, bro. We cooked.